Welcome friends. Class 7 Mathematics Chapter 5 Practice Set 23. Before going to start Practice Set 23, we should know there are innumerable rational numbers between any two rational numbers. This means what? There are so many rational numbers between any two rational numbers. So, let us start practice set 23. Write three rational numbers that lie between two given numbers. So, question 1, 2 by 7 and 6 by 7. These are the two numbers. Friends, here we use technique that denominator should be same. There are two rational numbers, but their denominator should be same. Okay? So, if denominators are not same, you make it similar. Okay? By multiply and divide each rational number. Okay, now here if denominators are similar, then from 2 to 6 you go on writing numbers. Every time denominator should be 7, remember. So 2, then 3, then 4, 5 and 6. That means 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7. Every time denominator 7. This 2 by 7 is given. This 6 by 7 is given. So we have written three rational numbers between them. 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7. So right answer, the three rational numbers between the numbers 2 by 7 and 6 by 7 are 3 by 7, 4 by 7 and 5 by 7. Okay. Example 2. 4 by 5 and 2 by 3. Here denominators are not similar. That means we should make them similar. Okay. Now, first rational number 4 by 5. If you multiply by 6 to numerator and denominator, this denominator will become 30. Okay. Now, for making this denominator 30, you should multiply and divide by 10. 3 10s are 30 and 5 6s are 30. So denominator same. Okay. So 4 into 6 is 24 upon 30. 2 into 10, 20 upon 30. So denominator, after getting similar, you write numbers this to this, increasing or decreasing by 1. Here 24 by 30 and we have to go up to 20. That means go on decreasing. 24, then 23, 22, 21 and then 20. Okay. Every time denominator 30. So these two numbers are given and we have to find the rational numbers between these two numbers, that is 23 by 30, 22 by 30, 21 by 30. So write answer in this way. Therefore, three rational numbers between the given numbers 4 by 5 and 2 by 3 are 23 by 30, 22 by 30, 21 by 30. Friends, here remember one more thing. Why we have made denominator 30? If we multiply by 3 to numerator and denominator, it will become 15. And similarly, if you multiply by 5 to numerator and denominator, it will again 15. So denominator will be same if you multiply by 3 to this and 5 to this. But we have not done so. Why? If you make 15, that means multiply by 3. And after multiplying 3, it will become 12 in numerator. Denominator will be same both side, but numerator will be 12. And here multiply by 5. Then again you will get 15 in denominator. So multiply by 5, that means 10. So 12 to 10, you will get only one number between them, that is 11. 12, then 11, then 10. Okay. So only one number will get, but we want 3 numbers. That's why this denominator should be larger. Instead of 15, if you take 30, you will get 3 numbers. Okay. So please note this point. Example 3. Minus 2 by 3, 4 by 5. Again, you want this denominator similar. Here is 3, here is 5. That means different, not similar. So make it similar. Now if you multiply this denominator by 5, then 3 into 5 will become 15. Similarly, if you multiply this denominator by 3, you will get 15 again. So 15, 15. So multiply and divide by 5 to this rational number and multiply and divide by 3 to this rational number. What will happen? Minus 10 upon 15. 12 upon 15. That means denominator becomes similar. Now from minus 10 to 12, that means go on increasing. So minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Now go on increasing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Here is 12. So stop here up to 12. So please note this, that this number is given and this number is given. Between these two numbers, there are so many numbers available, but we want only 3. So any one of these numbers you can write as an answer. According to textbook, if you want to write answer, in textbook answer is given minus 9 by 15, minus 7 by 15 and 4 by 15. So this is not rule that only write these number only. You can write any 3 numbers between these two. Okay, please note. So therefore 3 numbers between given rational numbers are minus 9 by 15, minus 7 by 15 and 4 by 15. This is the answer given in textbook, but it is not compulsory to write only these 3 numbers. Please note, there are in this way so many numbers between these 2 numbers. Any 3 you can write. Okay. Example 4. 7 by 9 and minus 5 by 9. These are the two numbers given. We want three rational numbers between these two. Now, denominator are similar. So, from 7 to minus 5, you go on decreasing. This is largest number, this is smaller number. So, 7 to minus 5 go on decreasing. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. After that 0. And again negative numbers. These are positive numbers. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. These are positive. Then 0. Now negative. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So you stop here. In this way, there are so many numbers between these two numbers. You can write any three. If you consider textbook and if you want to write answer from textbook, so in textbook answer is given 6 by 9, then 0, then minus 4 by 9. So you can write that three numbers between given two rational numbers 7 by 9 and minus 5 by 9 are 6 by 9, 0, minus 4 by 9. 6 by 9, 0 and minus 4 by 9. But please remember, only these three are not numbers between these two. There are so many numbers. You see, any three of these you can write. Okay? Example 5. Minus 3 by 4 and plus 5 by 4. Here denominator is similar. So, from minus 3, you go on up to 5. Okay? So, minus 3, then minus 2, minus 1, then 0. Now go on increasing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every time put denominator 4. Do not forget. Minus 3 by 4. Minus 2 by 4. Minus 1 by 4. 0 upon 4, that means 0. So write 0. 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, 5 by 4. Every time denominator 4. So between these two numbers, there are so many numbers, you see. But if you want to write answer from textbook, three numbers between two given rational numbers minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 4 are minus 2 by 4, minus 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. Here minus 2 by 4, minus 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. These three numbers are written. Example 6. 7 by 8 and minus 5 by 3. So, here denominator is not similar. So, make it similar. If you multiply by 3 to this rational number, you will get 24 in denominator. Now, if you multiply by 8, 3 8 is again 24. So, multiply by 3, multiply by 8, denominator will be 24. Okay. So, multiply and divide by 3 to this rational number and multiply and divide by 8 to this rational number, you will get denominator same. So, 7 into 3, 21 upon 24, 8 into 3, minus 40 upon 8 into 3, 24. So, from 21 to 40, you can write rational numbers between these two numbers. you have to go on decreasing. 21, then 20, then 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, in this way 12, 11, in this way 1, 0, then -1, -2, -12, -13, in this way -30 upon 24, -39 upon 24, and finally come at -40 upon 24. So there are so many numbers between these two numbers. Okay, but you have to write only 3 out of these 3 numbers. You can write any 3, but if you want to write answer as textbook, in textbook 17 upon 24, 11 upon 24, and -13 upon 24. These 3 numbers are given. So you write 3 numbers between 2 given rational numbers 7 by 8 and -5 by 3 are 17 upon 24, 11 upon 24, and -13 upon 24. Okay. 7th example. 5 by 7 and 11 by 7. These are the 2 numbers. Here denominators are similar. So from 5 to 11 you go on increasing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Every time write denominator 7. Okay, this 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers between these 2 numbers. But you want to write only 3 out of these 5. So according to textbook, 6 by 7, 8 by 7 and 9 by 7. These 3 numbers are between these 2 rational numbers. But friends, please remember, you can write any 3 of these 5. Okay. Last example. Example 8. 0 and -3 by 4. Okay. So 0 means 0 upon 1 you can write, and -3 by 4. So making denominator equal. Here is nothing means 1. Here is 4. Denominator is not similar. So make it similar by multiplying 8. Multiply and divide by 8 to this rational number, and 4 into 2 is also 8. So multiply and divide by 2 to this rational number. So 0 into 8 is 0 and 1 into 8 is 8. Then -3 into 2 is -6. 4 2s are 8. Now denominator are similar. So from 0 go on decreasing up to -6. That means what? 0, then -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and finally -6. But every time denominator is 8. This 8. Okay. So 0, -1 by 8, -2 by 8, -3 by 8, -4 by 8, -5 by 8, and finally -6 by 8. So from this to this, that means these 2 numbers, there are so many numbers. Okay. You can write any 3 out of these numbers. But in textbook, answer is given -1 by 8, -2 by 8, and -5 by 8. So you can write 3 numbers between given 2 rational numbers 0 and -3 by 4 are -1 by 8, -2 by 8, -5 by 8. But it is not compulsory to write these 3 numbers only. you can write any three numbers from these numbers. Okay. So friends, it's time to stop here because we have completed practice set 23. Meet you in next video. Till then, goodbye.